Hi everyone, welcome back to the knowledge series of Regrob. Today we have Sanjay sir with us. He is the business head of Garia Kolkata and he is the person I believe who has been in the industry since like a period of time now. So let's see what he has to say about the place and himself. Hello sir, how are you?
Yeah, fine,
All
fine.
right. तो सर
Yeah.
अगर हम गारिया कोलकाता की बात करें तो मतलब लोकेशन एक्चुअली है कैसा होम बायर्स के लिए फैमिलीज के लिए आप आपके क्या व्यूज रहे हैं अब तक?
See, Goria is in the southernmost part of Kolkata.
हम्म
You can tell the south end part of Kolkata, and the overall the South Kolkata is basically a upcoming locality,
हम्म
and where major developments are coming up, and that's why uh, Garia being part of the South Kolkata and being in the south end. It is a very good destination for basically middle class, upper middle class home buyers,
हम्म
and specifically, I will take it. It will be a little exaggeration to tell that it is for Bengalis, but not only Bengalis, for everybody. For middle class, upper middle class, excellent place for home buyers because that South Kolkata is a very vibrant locality of which Goria is also a part, and it is an upcoming locality. And I will tell about the other features in the interview later on. But it's a very good place because it's an upcoming locality, and lot of new projects have also come up. People are moving, excellent connectivity, excellent hospitals nearby, excellent English medium schools for the families whose child they will like to give a good education and all this. So I will tell in details. Thank
All
you.
right. So, when you say, sir, about upcoming, I would really like to know what are the top five emerging localities according to you?
See, if you say Garia, Garia is part of Kolkata municipality KMC area. Garia, the wards of Garia, what we tell, those are part of Kolkata, like 100 ward is there, KMC. 111 ward is there, that is the KMC area. 110 ward is also part of Garia. But if you see the extension part of Garia, that is the most attractive part because you see we have catchments like Rajpur, we have catchments like Sonarpur, we have catchments like Baruipur, and
Mm-hmm.
we have the catchment of the total southern bypass extension, which we cater as part of this Garia zone. So that's why you get lot of options in terms of catchment areas, like
Mm-hmm.
this Baruipur, Sonarpur, Rajpur, and the southernmost bypass. These are not part of KMC area. These are part of Rajpur Sonarpur municipality, which is the
Okay.
adjoining municipality of KMC area. So that's why these are the catchments which are very attractive for home buyers because you get lot of options, and the most important part is that along with the connectivity and the other hospitals and schools which I told,
Mm-hmm.
this is in the fag end of Kolkata. You get lot of greenery areas, so customers who want fresh air, a little bit of natural uh, m- stints for their home buying. There are a lot of people who don't want to stay in a very congested area or confiscated area. So they will get a lot of options in these adjoining catchments, what I told. It's a place, totally green area. You can see whenever people come for site visits and this thing, they always tell that they always like the greenness of this area. So the best part is that very near to the madding crowd, very near to all the civic amenities. You get natural beauties. That is the good part of Garia area. And the
Got it.
is what I told.
Okay. And so what about the public transport? I mean, connectivity, schools, malls, like
See,
hospitals also.
I sometimes tell jokingly to the customers that in Garia, if you buy a home, or you think of buying a home, or you are investing in any property, except airport,
Hmm.
all modes of communication are there. See, in a city, airports remains one, yeah, maximum two.
Right.
But other than that, you tell about metro connectivity. We have two lines to cater to Garia, and almost three to four stations of metro stations where you can get down and commute to your nearest places. And today metro is the most time efficient and attractive communication mode in the city. Hmm. So you have two lines. One is the main line, which is coming from Dakshineshwar to Kabir Shubhas. That
Mm-hmm.
line is going through Garia, and obviously Kabir Shubhas is also part of Garia area. Hmm.
Okay.
So there are four stations, metro stations, and the new upcoming line, which is the Kabir Shubhas to airport. So only the airport connectivity is being done from that metro part. So this is the metro connectivity of Garia area. Then you have all you have the Indian Railways. That is the railways, local trains or whatever we tell to commute. That is that also goes to Garia. We have New Garia station. We have Garia station. We have Baroipur station. We have Sunarpur station. All these stations all come in the railways, Indian railways. So you
Mm-hmm.
have the Indian railways. You have the metro railways. And the best part is that the lifeline of Kolkata nowadays is Eastern Bypass.
Okay.
Lifeline of Kolkata, because as Kolkata has expanded in this part, because the main city has become congested, and their real estate prices and everything, there is no space, open space to big to build a big project. So this Eastern Bypass is the lifeline of Kolkata right now. So this goes through Goria and starts from Goria itself, and you
Mm-hmm.
have towards the north side, you go to the Ultodanga to the airport in this Eastern Bypass. It's a big expressway, and towards the south, you go to the Southern Bypass, which is the extension of the Eastern Bypass,
Mm-hmm.
and you reach Baroipur. So you can see there the modes of communication is there is the railways, the metro railways, the roadways, and obviously lot of bus terminuses have come up.
Yeah.
So government buses ply, private buses ply, and there are lot of share auto routes. In Kolkata there are auto routes, which not like other cities where you have to hire a auto full. We have share autos here where five persons they share the auto and they visit. So that is a very what we'll say cheapest mode of communication from going here to here. So in Garia area, in Sonarpur, Baroipur, Rajpur, Southern Bypass, wherever you go, you get very convenient auto communication also. So to make your these things. So a person without his own vehicle also can think of
Yeah,
coming,
they can easily survive over here, no? It's
because
easy.
public communication is extremely good in this area.
Got
Thank
you. So this brings me to this question. What about the pricings? I mean, we are discussing that, it's easy, people are able to survive. And, like I would say कि अगर हम अफोर्डेबल और लग्जरी मतलब दोनों में ही बात करें तो मैं जानना चाहूंगी कि प्राइसिंग क्या क्या है एज कम्पेयर टू द अदर एरियाज व्हाट्स द मोर बेनिफिट ओवर हियर एंड व्हाई शुड पीपल look towards this area.
So, as I told you in the beginning only, this
Mm-hmm.
Goria catchment area has two parts. That is the
Yeah.
KMC area, and
Mm-hmm.
another is the Rajpur Sonarpur municipality. So whenever you are thinking, if you think that I want to invest in a KMC area project, obviously those projects are going to be little higher in price. And obviously those are little bit luxury projects.
Okay.
Obviously, there are some luxury projects in Rajpur, Sonarpur municipality area, like this region. Ozone has come up. That was one of the costliest project which
Mm-hmm.
came up in this area only. It is
Okay.
almost complete right now, and most of the handovers have got through there. But
So what's the
there are
range? Like, how does the range starts between them?
things. Ozone, it was like a 3 BHK was almost 1.5 CR to above
Okay.
2. It used to go depending on the configuration you choice you
Cool.
choose. So, so you have luxury projects near and about in the KMC areas,
Okay.
and while you go towards the Rajpur Sonarpur municipality area like the Sonarpur, Baroipur, Rajpur, Southern bypass,
Mm-hmm.
obviously there are also good projects, high rise projects, luxury projects. The price is going to get little low, obviously there, because those are municipality areas with
Mm-hmm.
all the amenities, but with all the facilities you get, but the price you will get obviously little bit lower, because uh, because of the municipality area, and in the KMC area it is little high.
Okay, got you. And sir, this brings me to the last question. I believe मैंने location सब कुछ cover वगैरह कर लिया है. But then
Hmm.
one last question will be, what kind of future projects are we looking forward to?
See, I have not told about the present projects itself. So,
Mm-hmm.
so the present projects you have a very good group, local group, which delivers quality projects. Uh, though they don't cater in other parts of the city, they only cater in this part of the city. That is the Ganguly group. They have
Okay.
come up with very good projects right now, means luxurious projects. One project they have completed is Ganguly Grand Castle of
Mm-hmm.
5, all are more than G plus 12 and this thing. So that is a good project. So they are upcoming, they are coming up with a project, Ganguly Foresight, Florence Phase 3, Florence. So that is a very upcoming project. Then you have Superia, Ganguly Superia. That is also a very upcoming project. It's a future project. So this
Mm-hmm.
is a local group which is delivering good projects. Obviously, there are other local groups like Atri Group
Mm-hmm.
who has come up with 4 projects right now, all in the construction stages. Like the value project, you have Atri Surya Taran, where you get 2 BHK flats as low as 20 lakhs. It starts and it goes up to within 27 lakhs, and they have come with other projects like Atri Rays is there, Atri Green Valley is there, then Atri Aqua is there. That is a high rise project. So these are 2 local groups which don't cater in other parts of the city right now, but they're doing
Right.
extremely good job here. Obviously, there the big players like Marlene is there, Srijan is there, Sugam is there. These are big players, and you have the South Winds, the Primer Group. So all projects are in the construction stages. There are many projects. There are projects from Surekha Group also. So
Okay.
you have a lot of options. And South Winds is a project. It's a hallmark project in Southern Bypass, where already 10 towers have been delivered and people are staying. So another upcoming 5 towers are coming up. That is a very good project. And you get bungalow options also here. Like you get Southern Vista, that is the Rajat group. Then you have Srijan's the bungalow options also there. Siddha group's bungalow options also there. And you have some very value projects in Baroipur area by
Mm-hmm.
Marlin, like Marlin Oiko is there. So, and then the Magnolia Group is also working very good there. So,
Okay.
Sugam Prakriti is also a low value project. So there are many projects. I can name a lot of, but it's very now the time is short to tell all about the projects. But you get what I told, like the Atri Sonar Sujyaturan. It starts from 20 lakhs
Mm-hmm.
to almost 20 lakhs, 22 lakhs. So from 22 lakhs, you can get up to 2 CR. So not in this project, you can get all the options. What I'm telling. Mm. So you
Yeah.
get lot of value projects also, affordable housing projects, which anybody can come, because in this area you get affordability along with communication, along with all hospitals, like what I will tell you, the PLS hospital, the
Mm-hmm.
Ruby Hospital, the Disan Hospital, the Medica Hospital, the Narayan Hospital. All hospitals are very near, within 5 to 7 kilometers. What I told, the hospitals and the schools, like the BD Memorial School, the Indus Valley School, Delhi Public School,
Mm-hmm.
Garden High School, lot of schools have their English medium schools, what I'm telling, good schools. So people have both the options, like
Yes.
for health purpose also, for education purpose also. And you get affordability, good communication.
Got you. I
Mm.
think I'm good to go with all the questions. But before I end up the video, sir, anything that you would like to say to the home buyers, anything about any project, about any particular thing, their
See,
pain pointers.
I will tell the home buyers, with my almost 10 plus years experience in real estate. If you want to have a good investment in real estate,
Mm-hmm.
you can try out this area, because here the prices are escalating. In other parts of the city, I will not tell the name. Obviously, people know, like Newtown and all these.
Mm-hmm.
There, the price is already escalated.
Right.
Here you can, for investment purpose also, you can uh, invest there,
Mm-hmm.
invest here, because you will get a good escalation. Number one. Point number two is that those people who want to get the vibrancy of Kolkata,
Mm-hmm.
like the people is there, then the market is there, the communication is there, the music is here, I mean everything, whatever the vibrancy of Kolkata, and those who like the life of Kolkata, they should opt for this part of the city rather than going to that new town. And I'm not discouraging them. They, that location also has lot of advantages, but this part of the city is extremely vibrant, and people can get life over here. People can get a good society, good feeling, good gathering. These are also part of the life. Only you buy a home, buy a flat, and you stay alone. That is also not life. If you want to get the vibrancy of Kolkata, good food, good roadside food, eateries, lot of eateries. So this part of the city, and the most important is that it's extremely peaceful, extremely peaceful. You don't have any any other law and order situation which is going uh, wrong here. Very, very rare occasion. So people can think about it. Obviously, that's their choice. They will obviously do the research before going for the locality. But as a real estate consultant for the last 10 years, and obviously a Kolkata boy for till birth, I can suggest people, I
Mm-hmm.
can uh, advise people, not advise, I can suggest them that you can see this part of the city which is upcoming, and obviously you will get value worth your money. You will get true value for your money in this part of the city.
Okay. I believe, you all can take guidance from him. We'll drop his number in the description below ताकि आप लोग directly reach कर सको सर को, and because he has been into Kolkata, मतलब एक तो वो, और दूसरा, he has 10 plus years of experience when it comes to real estate. So I believe he can definitely suggest you something good. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you very much.